Starting the day at the EVS body shop, picking up this badge that we just got painted matte black for Tesla. So I figured, you know what, I'll show you what we got going on, because I haven't been here in a while, and honestly, I don't really know what's going on, because I don't come here too often. But we have a lot of stuff happening, so we can just imagine together what could be possibly happening. See how that works? So we have a Tesla Model X here. Clearly, as you can tell, it's coming in for a supercharger. I'm not sure what's going on with this Ford Raptor, but this is sick. Has an 80D front bumper. Ooh, orange accents. Look at that. That's pretty cool. We have more Teslas being worked on over here, as you can see. We have one over there as well. What are you guys doing to it?
We're gonna paint it.
Paint? Oh, what color? Black?
Black.
Nice.
We just painted because that was not shiny.
Oh.
Nothing, no problems with that.
We haven't been to the new shop in a while, and the showroom has gone decorated since then. So let me show you what we have. So we actually have a waiting area now, which is cool, because last time, if you guys remember, no waiting area. No, we have a waiting area. We have a TV with our vlogs going on. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Hey, look, it's Raul. Oh, that is cool.
Dude, look, FedEx is here. Let's paint this color.
I don't know if you can see in.
We got. Oh shit, you saw me.
Oh, you can see it! I didn't know you can see it! We got a trash can here because, you know, gotta put the competition somewhere, you know what I'm saying?
Like, what is this, an oyster?
Pearl of the sea. This shit's gonna rip my off. It's a boy!
Look how they package it. They just threw screws in there.
Doesn't taste right. I gotta send it back.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it doesn't taste right.
So what do you think? It's pretty nice, right? Everything's coming along pretty well. Probably add some more stuff here and there, but overall, it's coming along pretty good.
Look right beside the headlight. You can see straight through to the grass.
Oh, cool. You can see to the grass.
That's cool. This is so much nicer than a Raptor.
Right, Mercedes cologne again.
Nice. Look at all this stuff.
What do you wear? Mercedes.
The speaker's red.
Okay, that's interesting.
Why is that not red though?
Oh my gosh, this is so nice.
Oh, this is nice. Red piping, red stitching, red inserts underneath the Alcantara, carbon fiber, red Harman Kardon speakers, but this is black, don't know why. The Ram logo is red. Okay, that's cool.
Does it sound like a lawnmower?
What? Rev it?
Again. Cool plaque here too. Tells you the VIN, everything right here. That's so cool.
There's molly straps on the back of the seats.
Oh, they copied me.
Really
We basically
nice.
all stopped work.
Oh, it's red.
Yeah, TRX Ram on there. Is this $25,000 more than a Raptor though?
It is worth it if you like it, because you're getting the V8 supercharged.
Yeah, personally, I think it is just because the
engine
engine,
costs a lot,
just
yeah.
the engine alone. Bro, this is way better than the Raptor.
Oh shit.
Dude.
Hey, how does it ride?
Like how
Really
much
nice.
better?
Feeling is the same when I got the first gen. You know, it's like, whoa, this is a badass truck. Better truck overall. I think Raptor still looks better.
This is so wide. It's so wide. It looks like a wide body, honestly.
Hey, what checks out?
Oh my! It's a T-Rex.
The T-Rex eating the Raptor.
I like the internal rivalry. We're gonna try a
Trust
little
me.
off-road excursion.
Thanks for breaking in. At least do it like a f***ing man.
Definitely does not feel underpowered at all.
Oh.
I love that sound.
Yeah, it definitely sounds, of course, better than a Raptor. Oh yeah, it's quick.
Ready?
Oh yeah, that's fast for a truck.
Yeah.
It is fast.
You want to take a picture? Hey, we should just drive up there. There's a Ram in the Ram.
Why did that guy pick up his stuff like as if?
Oh my god, he thinks we're picking him up!
Oh,
He shook his head and went back!
Hey, let's go around. Let's do it one more time. Wow, man, this thing goes.
Yeah.
I like how you say it like you didn't know. Like
every time you punch on it, it's like it's just that excitement again.
ooh, look we got here. Vossen HF5s in gloss black. We're getting these ready to be mounted on an Audi, so that's why we had these out and open. It's such a good wheel design. So this is the RS5 that we're putting those HF5s on. This color is cool. I think this is Nardo Gray. I'm not sure. It might be wrong. I know they made like one color that's very similar to the Nardo Gray, but I think this is Nardo Gray. But either way, great color. It's gonna look good with the gloss black HF5s.
How much you want to bet the designer of the Ram truck has an RS5?
Oh my.
Bro, I'm telling you, bro. He has an RS5. Hey, copying sports cars. And I understand TRX, 700 horsepower, Hellcat engine. It's acceptable, but I'm saying you're copying. Dude, it makes sense.
Oh yeah!
Bro, I'm telling you, he has an RS5. I'm telling you, he has an RS5.
And you know what? He has the Model T because it has 4 wheels.
No.
What is this? What is this? Where does this go to?
Dude, it literally goes behind here.
Oh, that's it? Quick little wheel upgrade. The HF5 is easily the most popular design we do from Vossen, especially for RS5s. We've done quite a few of these great setups already. Really track-oriented spoke design combined with a gloss black finish makes this an easy choice. It wouldn't be a normal day without us working on at least one Tesla, so here's why that we're Clearbra the entire car, bumper to bumper. Teslas are taking over with how many we're doing. Clearbra has a lot of benefits, and one that isn't mentioned too often is how it actually improves the look of your paint. The top coat of film adds a nice layer of gloss, making it a lot shinier and clearer than before, and it gives that just waxed and polished look without having to do all that work. I can't recommend this enough for anyone who's trying to make their paint look its best. Brand new Porsche in the back. We just tuned the ECU, got it shipped out, now it's back in, we're putting it back. We're gonna go on a test drive to make sure it works well.
Yes, we are indeed. Like a Honda? I kind of miss that car now. Smack me with my own light. Jesus.
You'd rather smack you with something else. So for those of you who don't know, ECU locations for every car is different, but like for Mercedes, it's normally really simple. Under the hood, you know, just plain sight right there. Audis, for the most part, same place around there. But for Porsches, it's in the back.
Obviously, the light there is not working, right? Oh, nope. This side, where the light can just be right under. Oh my God, I have a visual. All right, so you wanna go normal first? We'll see how fast normal is.
Yeah, I like how it's all digital. Like, oh, that's so nice.
Dude, for a regular Carrera, bro?
That's not bad.
Not bad. Smoke me, dude. Holy crap. That was off second gear too. Dude, that was fast. The burbles are definitely way more. So now manual shifting. Let's let off at 4. Oh my God, it downshifts so hard in manual. Oh, dude, in manual, bro, when I hold the gear out, damn. Do you launch it?
Not scary fast, it's just like exciting fast, you know?
Holy shit. It's fast, bro.
That's good speed for a fun daily driver.
Pretty fucking fast.
Bro, what are you doing back there?
When did he get in the car? Keep in mind, guys, this is just a Carrera.
Yeah.
Like, this is just a Carrera.
That's what I'm saying.
No upgraded anything. It's just tuned. That's it.
I'm excited, bro. All right, so far, it sounds completely the same. Okay, yo, that's proper quick. It still feels like Porsche. Feels more jumpy in the lower RPMs. Definitely feel the power, I think, around 3,000 to 4,000 RPM. If I like percentify it, whatever, 20% faster. That's really good. It's at my daily. I just want a little more oomph out of it. This is it. This is perfect. Ah, you hit the nail on the head, dude.
It gets going.
It gets going. Way better than before.
It revs so fast, dude. Just what? It's crazy.
Haywood, my man, you're the best. Sean, much love, bro.
Pretty productive vlog. We had to see a TRX, tune a Porsche, put wheels on an Audi, Clearbra a Tesla. Very productive. All right, guys, that is it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. We want to work your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. We will see you next time.
You ever do this anymore?
No, I stopped doing that a long time ago.
Why? You need like a thing.
Yeah.
Catchphrase like
Yeah.
gallery furniture saves you.
All right, Dustin, I need footage of you doing.
Okay, here's me bleeding.
What?